Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm sharing with you all my entry to the open invite for using trash to create treasure challenge hosted by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine and co-hosted by Kat from According to Kat. Don't forget to have fun binge watching the other lovely videos in the playlist. Well, for my part, I took an empty sweet container. This was actually a Ferrero Rocher base and turned it into a tray. And as usual, I used my marble contact paper. I traced out the outline of the tray and then cut it. And here you can see me trying to peel the backing off. I did struggle a little bit placing it on the tray. Please don't do what I did. Remove the backing slowly. Lesson learned. Finally, after sticking the paper to somewhat perfect, I took this gold glitter tape. It can also be called colored sellotape, and I wound it around the lip of the box. As you can see, the box had a lip, and I wrapped the tape around the lip and pushed the excess inside. I cut the corners so that it will be easier to fold it inside. And then, since I did not like the silver part peeking outside, I put more tape on the outside of it. And that's it, your DIY tray is ready. Thank you Casey and Kat for this fun challenge, and please don't forget to watch the other lovely videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye bye, smile, Jesus loves you. Oh yes, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.